Hey everyone, welcome back to another daily recap. I took a 2 day break from them because I don't know. I really just to be honest, I had stuff to do and I could not get to them. But I'm back, and in the gap of time, so basically Monday I was up 1 hour, I think a little bit more than 1 hour, and then yesterday Tuesday I was down 3 hour. Today I'm ending the day up 1 hour. Um, Now, yeah, so I'm ending the day up 1 hour. I think I traded very well with what was there today, but I think I did miss some opportunity, mainly because of school, because they all were midday. But coming into the morning, this was the only main gapper. Of course, it's sub penny. Super annoying that these gappers are sub penny, but I capitalized on it pretty well, so I'm glad about that. So coming into the morning open, this was the setup where I like it to set the range in the first kind of move in the morning. So it set that level, and then we had a hard crack down to low of day, and then we come back up. So after we crack down low day, that's the level it's set, and then once we come back up, we pushed over. I got a starter, and then once we confirmed down, I slammed in full size with this time, well, like always, super tight stop. So my stop was very tight. So I made fair risk reward here. It was still only 1 hour though because I didn't get all my position off. The rest was at 40, 41 actually. So I was looking to get the rest off here, and it actually trapped and went higher. So I cut break even. And so my rule is that I cannot cover break even if I have not taken profits. So since I got these covers, I was able to set my stop to break even, which was a good call because I would have got stopped out. Um, and these are sick covers. Just now looking at it, like I think this is pretty much bottom tick all day. Yeah, these were great covers. And then the stop break even, and then I kind of just avoided. At school, I noticed the symmetry and kind of like the setup. It's very manipulated, of course. So they trapped it and they moved it higher. Now I wanted to be patient on backside here, and for a change, I wanted to try using the 5 minute and the 15 minute. So instead of trying to short into the clearouts over pre-market high, which is something I need to be careful doing, especially on day ones. But yeah, over pre-market high, I decided, okay, let me not shorten to the clearouts, because if I did, I would have. Okay, if I shortened into that one, would have got stopped out. If I let this level set, boom, shorted that, would have got stopped out. And then this one worked, but would have had to get chopped up just to nail this one in the backside. So what I did was I was watching the 15 minute for trend change. So I wanted to see a red candle bounce and then a break of that. So after we got over to this level, I set my line right. I don't know what that is. Set my line right here. So this is where the stock trapped, and it set that level. After it bounced here, I was looking for continuation down to reshort a bounce, but it trapped and went higher, and so the 15-minute time frame saved me from shorting anywhere in this area. And I still wanted this support level to break, so it came all the way back down, and then it bounced, and so that's what I was really watching. So once it broke this level, I switched to the 5 minute to gauge my entry. So you see we broke down, and I shorted into the 57. Well, if you go on the 15 minute, I had that line there. So on the 1 minute or on the 5 minute, I shorted into that, with plans to have one more bullet above. And then this is the level I wanted to not stop out on. So 60 cents was kind of like the next resistance. So I said, okay, I think 62 cents is a good enough distance to let 60 test. So that was my risk. I had a 58 average, and my covers were 52 and 51. So I honestly got not bad risk reward. It wasn't 2R, it wasn't 1R, but it was over 1 hour. Sorry, it was over 1 hour. It was under 2 hours, so it was like in that middle range. And then this is higher win rate because I'm shorting backside. So I think overall this is something I might want to start trying instead of getting chopped up at the highs. So yeah, I'm just gonna dabble with it, smaller size, and see how it works out. Of course, I would have loved to hold longer, but this is end of day, so I'm not gonna hold after hours. And you could see market closed about right here. So I couldn't nail the second leg down unless I held after hours, which is kind of scary in this market. You could see things like SONN. This thing just squeezed after hours. And then, yeah. Some stocks, some trades that I missed was AREB. AREB. This was a pump, and I didn't touch it. I think I wasn't focused on it. I kind of I wanted to be green on the day. I didn't want to mess anything up because yesterday I did lose 3 hours, so I'm kind of just like, I don't want to lose again. So I just wanted to be green on the day, 1 hour. But I did miss this opportunity, and it had good levels to short off of. So I'm kind of mad about that. Even more mad about WAFU. Yep, this one. Insane fade. This one also had great levels to short off of. If we go here, you could see the levels to short off of were perfect. So yeah, we got these levels. It was a great play. And this was also pump. Huge fade. Some people got in here early, and then a lot of people got in here. I honestly don't know where I would have gotten in this. I was at school, so I couldn't nail it. So it sucks on that part. But yeah, this was just a small recap. I'm gonna try to keep them up, but of course I am starting to grind more on my systematic trading, starting to expand, back test, and do more like that. So if you see more inconsistency in the videos, that is why. Just know I'm back testing and grinding in the background because honestly I'm tired of losing. So I'm just gonna let the data of a system prove to me that it's profitable, and therefore I should be profitable if I can create a profitable system. So that's my mindset. I hope you all traded good today and are doing good this week. It's actually pretty slow, so hopefully things heat up again. But yeah, with all that said, drop a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, because I will upload more in the future and probably more this week. Probably every day if I can't get to it, like I said. Just know I'm working hard in the background. But yeah, with that said, hope you guys have a great day. Peace out.